Respect, or dignity, is something every human being craves in this short life, but only a few actually get it. A lot of people die without ever having it, without even knowing what kind of thing respect really is, without knowing the psychological tricks behind gaining it. If you all find this out, you're going to be shocked, and you'll also understand just how effectively it actually works. Today, Mindshift is going to teach you 8 psychological tricks to gain respect practically. Number 1. Force yourself into respect. In reality, respect is something you have to take by force. In today's society, people think that's completely wrong. When they see someone forcing their way into respect, they run for the hills. The reason is, they don't actually know what that really means. Listen, this is the real truth about respect, or dignity. It's connected to fear. That's why you all fear a lion more than a butterfly. If you look a lion in the eye once, you'll see how it forces you into respect.
Until your spine goes cold. And with a butterfly, you'd kill it without even thinking twice. So even though both are alive, you respect the one that can kill you in one shot more. That's not a coincidence at all. Let Mindshift give you one more example to really make this clear. Suppose you have a street fight. You could get knocked out by a super fit guy. If you had a fight with that fit guy, wouldn't you respect him automatically? He can scare you, he can disrespect you in the worst possible way, but because of that ability, don't you respect him directly? The only reason you'd respect him
is because deep inside you, it forces you, respect this guy. Forcing your way into respect doesn't make you a bad person. It means you're pushing people down, scaring people, threatening people. It means you have some kind of power. Or it means you have some kind of ability that nobody else can refuse, whether people like it or not. Even if you never actually use this power, even if you generally stay calm, people will respect you internally because of the ability you have. Listen, if you truly want respect in your life, don't ask people for it. First, get your own power and then force people to give it to you. Just like Mindshift taught you, you can also trick people into thinking you're a more powerful person than you actually are in reality. That will also definitely work to put people into a state where they respect you. But what Mindshift recommends is that you actually become a powerful person. Then people will naturally be pushed into respecting you by force. Number 2, delay your response. If you want to make sure people are truly clear about you, let people wait a little before your response comes. This is a bit counterintuitive, but it works simply and effectively. Because you're taking your time before giving an answer, it implies you have a certain kind of authority. It also implies
that you're in a state of control, and that your answer comes at your own pace. That also creates a separate aura, mystery, or the sense of what's actually going on in this person's head. And that's exactly what pulls people in. You can add even more mystery to this by using subtlety. For example, you could give a small smile while you're taking time to answer, which signals that you're a friendly person. On top of that, unintentionally, it signals that you have a certain power, and that you're a person with a certain level of control. And that signals to the other person that you have a certain kind of authority. Number 3, call out bad behavior directly. If people are mocking or belittling your character or your behavior, especially if it's someone close to you doing it, you absolutely need to call it out directly. You need to say it in words. Some people won't like that. But after doing this, they'll definitely respect your character. There's no rule that says everything you do to earn respect has to be something people like. Number 4. Protect your time. Listen, time is the most valuable resource in the world right now.
So if you follow these 8 practical methods, gaining respect or dignity isn't that hard a thing. To the more than 100,000 of you who joined us, Mindshift has just one thing to say. Comment below what you all actually want. That means comment below what kind of related videos you want, because Mindshift always says this isn't a one-way thing. This is a conversation between you all and Mindshift. So Mindshift hopes you all felt everything Mindshift said today deep into your minds.